TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 77. You get the NASDAQ down 21. S&Ps are off 9.5. We have the gold contract flat at $12.15. Silver's up 17 cents at $16 an ounce. You have platinum down $7 at $9.63 an ounce. Copper's flat at $2.06. We have light sweet crude off $1 at $48.10. The notes are up 10 ticks, 129.28. The bonds are up 1 full point, 2 ticks, 164.19. Now both the 10-year note, the 30-year bond, they've rejected lower price. They rejected lower price on Tuesday, had lighter volume, stopped moving topside yesterday. Notes and bonds want higher price, lower yield. King dollar's down 11 ticks at 95.44. King dollar, as it's moved up into its supply line going back the last 14 months, can't handle higher price. King dollar's at 95.43 right now. That little baby wants to run into its August swing low. Euro's at $1.11, and the yen is getting really strong. The yen is at 108 right now. That's hammering the Nikkei, hammering the yen. Stronger yen is a problem for the Japanese market in a huge way. We go over to our own S&P. This is what you have happening. We're in the second day of window dressing. You're coming into the GDP tomorrow. You're coming into jobs numbers tomorrow. Bottom line, folks, is that we're at $209.49. Your swing high out here from April is 210.92. I expect that swing high is going to get hit. Why? Let's go over to the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 yesterday took out its swing high, has the juice as it took it out, and won't back off. The Russell 2000 right now is trading at 1161. That swing high was 1156. Now here's the kicker, and this is a big one too. The next swing point in the Russell is running up there we're talking about a 1200 number, 1204. So 1161 to 1204 is a big number, and very well can get up there. If we go look at our own Dow Industrials, what you're going to see with the Dow Industrials is that pullback yesterday had lighter volume, and in fact looks like it's setting up a small ABC structure on the way up, going up into the highs of April, which is the 18,167 level. If we go over and we take a look at the gold contract, what you have with gold is this. Gold out here this morning is flat. You're at 72,000 contracts. Gold wants higher price. It already rejected lower price being on Tuesday. It got down to the 1201 area, rejected it. You're at 1214. Bottom line, to me, it looks like it's going to make a run for the highs. What you had out here this morning is the European Central Bank not only is keeping rates low, they're out there saying that for the next couple of years they think rates are going to be low. You'd think, fundamentally, they say that. You'd think gold would make a run. Bottom line, it hasn't made a run. That being said, guess what? You have low rates in Europe. Our rates, the Fed is saying they want to go up. The market is saying that they're not going up. The 10-year, the 30-year, that's running topside. Right now, our 10-year is at 1.8, and it's ready to break 1.8 and get into the 1.7 number. What is that going to do inside the commodity market? That's going to run the commodity market. If you take a look at this commodity market, the grains themselves have already been running. You can make the argument that is that the dollar or is that the weather? Bottom line is that they're running, and they're running in spades. If we go over and we take a look at that good old King dollar, what you have with King dollar is this. King dollar can handle the higher price. You came down yesterday. We came down with volume. You got huge volume out here today. We already got 12,000 contracts. Bottom line, King dollar wants lower price. Lower price for King dollar equals what? Equals higher price inside the commodity markets. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.